Here I have FairPhone 3, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the security section, then fingerprint, then you have to select your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. I'll just select PIN, then you have to enter your PIN, confirm it. In the next step, you have to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can show all notifications, hide sensitive content, or disable all the notifications. Don't show them at all. And then what you have to do is to find a fingerprint sensor, which is located here, and tap it with your finger several times like this until it remembers your fingerprint. And fingerprint aided. And now, for example, I can unlock my device without entering PIN code with only just my fingerprint. I don't even need to press power key. I can just put my fingerprint on the sensor and the device will be unlocked by itself. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.